Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 update error message 0x80240438. There were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And again, in parentheses, it says 0x80240438, as well as an option to retry, as well as additional options. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now on the right side, underneath Options, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the corresponding Run button. And again, hopefully that could have resolved the issue. Something else I would recommend looking into would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video here. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a DISM scan and go ahead and run that. And once that has concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video and go ahead and run that. Once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process for you. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.